Hi everyone. I know I'm splitting up these videos a little bit, but some of the videos are taking a couple of days in between, and I'm going to be making a strawberry peach preserve or jam. This is probably going to be a preserve. It's the end of the summer. The peaches are still there. The peaches are a little bit softer than the well, they're probably the same texture. I have strawberries in there, and then I have some peaches. So what I'm going to do, I have a little bit of water, just enough to cover the bottom, and some lemon juice too. I'm going to bring that up to a boil. And then, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook the peaches first in a little bit of water here until they soften up, and then I'm going to be adding the sugar in there. And if you want to add like some other like spices, like for example, if you want to add a little bit of cinnamon to it, or a little bit of nutmeg, or some cardamom, or any of your favorite spices, then you can do that. So I'm going to be using regular sugar. I'm not going to be using a honey on this one. And this one doesn't take too much. I'm not going to even put pectin in there. I want to cook it enough so it becomes a nice thick texture. And the reason why I added a little bit of water, usually don't, is because I want the lemons and all that. Now, usually I'm going to let it come down just a little bit. So I'll bring that to a high boil. A hard boil is what we call it, a hard boil. Okay, and then I'm just going to allow this to cook at least for about 15 to 20 minutes, or to simmer once I get it all in there. 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm going to be adding my sugars in there. So, and that's usually after it cooks for a while, and that's usually about I would say a little over, so this is 1.5 pounds of fruit, and the sugar is like about 2 cups. So, and that should be good. And if you want to add like basil to it even, or mint, dress it up just a little bit and make it a little bit different, well, go ahead, go for it. I think it'll be delicious. So, and this is how, and then you can also make, I could have made this into a salsa. I could have added some peppers that I have here. I have some wonderful peppers that I got at the farmer's market at a good deal. You can get them less than half the price at the farmer's market than at the grocery store. And then I'm going to be making this corn cob jelly that was recommended to me here. That's delicious. So I'm going to be making some salsa, but you can also make a strawberry peach salsa out of that too. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and stick with the jellies, and yum yum. That should be good. These would be great on quesadillas if you made it. Alrighty then. Talk to you later.